Tonight I'm going to be picking the Am-Tech mushroom pin tumbler lock. I'm not sure which model this is. This was donated by James today, and I've been trying to pick it on and off all day at work without success, and I just picked it a few minutes ago, so I thought I'd have another crack at it. We'll see how we get on. So, have a crack. So I'm using my Pickology X1000 kit. I'm going to be using these two tools: my tension wrench, ordinary tension wrench, and this little number. So let's give it a crack. So just put the tension wrench in, and then I'm going to go fishing. So, bit of tension on. This is really hard when you're doing this behind a camera. So I'm going to start at the back. I'm just going to fish my way around. Itch. This is making lots of good noises. Ooh, bit stuck. So this lock's got a few nasty surprises in it, I hear. It is a security lock. It has got spools in it. It's making a lot of crunching noises. So where are we? So let's just run it from the back. There we go, and open. So, Am-Tech, top security, you're busted. So it took a few minutes. There's pin 3 is important in this one, if you just have a look at the keys. But yeah, this has kept me entertained all day. So, thanks very much, James, and on to the next challenge lock.